Hello and welcome to E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Big boys in the building. Now, US-based Afrobeats artist Heph has teamed up with Laalee and Bugle for the official remix of his hit single, Big Boy. Now, the track, which dropped last week, is already a hit with dancehall and Afrobeat fans.
We nothing small, now a big mind. Born you a big kind. Kill them with style, what a big crime. So me in a low, this a big class. We no work with people, we a big boss.
The Houston-based Nigerian Afro dancehall king saw major success last year with his sophomore album Amari, which reached number 14 on the US World Music Charts and surpassed 1 million streams. Heph's album featured fan favorites Hyde and Party All Night, and even features Craig from Voicemail on track number 10, Na Na Na. Now, DJ Khaled today dropped the artwork for his upcoming 13th studio album, God Did. The cover sees tears flowing from Khaled's eyes. Now, in his post, the We the Best artist said the tears represented tears of joy from God's blessings. He went on to thank his family, friends, and fans, adding that when no one believed, you did, in reference to God.
They wanted us down. Oh, but look at us now. Oh, they counted us out. They didn't think that we would make it up. They didn't believe in us. Oh, but I know God did. Oh, yes, He did.
Khaled was recently in the island, seen in studio and on the streets with Sizzla, Bone Tequila, Capotan, Skilly Bang, and his longtime friend, Solid Agency's boss Sharon Burke, among others, and was said to be working on his album. Khaled trended locally over the weekend as his interview with US String Champs had Jamaicans excited as he revealed a dub plate on his album with Barrington Levy, Buju Banton, and Shine.
Right. Dub plate with me, Buju, Shine.
It's a dub plate?
It's a dub plate.
Oh, I thought you redid the record.
No. Me, Shine, and Barrington on the dub.
That's crazy.
I still cut dub plate.
That's crazy.
I cut dub plate just because I'm just so true to it, so pure to it, and I want my kids to have all my dubs when they grow up. I just love.
That's an NFT by itself.
I love dub plate. I still cut dub. I'm a sound killer.
No, that's dope. That's dope.
Khaled has on many occasions credited his success in the sound system arena to Jamaican artists who supplied him with exclusive dub plates. Khaled's album, God Did, drops on Friday. Now, Rebel Salute, the People's Show, is back. Tony Rebel shared the news with his fans on Sunday with a simple quote, up, up, up. Now, the show was on hiatus for the past 2 years due to the COVID-19 pandemic, but according to Tony, it is ready to resume its place in the market. Rebel Salute is set for January 20 and 21 at Grizzly's Plantation Cove in St. Anne. I'm Daedran reporting for E-Prime. Thank you for watching.